guys, happy New Year's Eve. It is December 31st, 2017, and I'm here to tell you how honored and privileged I am to have each and every one of you subscribe to my channel or in my Facebook group. Follow me on Instagram. Wherever you follow me and participate in this lifestyle, I just wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all of you and love each and every one of you. And thank you for making my channel and my group and my Instagram such a success. The more people that I can help and direct on this way of life or any weight loss fitness journey, I'm grateful for. So for all of that, I just want to say thank you. Next thing on my list to talk about is tomorrow starts my cut, and I can't be more excited. I have been working so hard in the gym, building this lean muscle, and not really worrying too much about anything other than eating and working out and following my wonderful husband, who is a personal trainer by trade. His plans and his workouts are amazing. Amazing. And I just want to let you guys know, some of you out there in our group have requested Jess to come up with some workout routines for them as clients, and he is more than happy to do so. So if any of you are interested in that, let us know in the comments below and we'll work something out. But anyway, tomorrow starts my formal cut. I've already got all of my macros set. I know exactly what I'm eating. I will be documenting that on my YouTube channel, which you're watching right now, because I wasn't sure where I was going to post this. But yeah, it's totally exciting. I can't wait. So we'll see where it goes. It's a 12-week cut. So at the end of 12 weeks, I should be at least, I'm hoping, down between 15 and 20 pounds. So we'll see what happens. The plan is structured to retain my muscle mass. I will not be, hopefully not be losing any. Just gonna be losing some body fat. And some body fat did accumulate, not a lot, but that's what happens when you eat in a surplus in order to gain lean muscle. So I'm so excited, and we'll see how it goes. And comment below if you're interested in following me on this journey. I will show you what I'm eating and my exercises and things like that for the cut. You guys know that my goal is to compete in a competition, which I'm not doing bikini. It would just be a physique competition. And yeah, that's my goal for 2018. What are your goals? You better have something. You got to figure out your why. And I want to hear about it. So leave it down below. All right. And I'll see you all soon. Have a happy and a healthy new year. Please remember health, family, friends. Those are the important things. Anything material is nothing. Remember that. And you are more important than anything. Because without you, there's nothing. Right? All right. So I'm going to go enjoy the festivities with my family. And I will see you all next year. Love you guys. Stay focused. Bye-bye.